What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday morning here, first trading day of August. New monthly candle open as well with this. Looking pretty good here on the monthly, honestly. Literally, or last month, basically, we just retested that high here from October. Closed back higher on this. We did open this new monthly candle over the low here from that June low, dipping lower and then pushing higher now. So looking pretty bullish there. Weekly as well, made a new low and then failed to close a new low, closed within, dipped into it, pushing higher. So my standard type of setups here showing on a higher time frame. Daily here, running this wick, broke it, gapped up, dipped right into the open and close here of these daily candles, pushing higher, looking for that 20. So a lot of strength here in the market. I think we're going to see some good bullish movement this week, pushing into somewhere into this level here. We might reject, go sideways, hold before breaking higher. But yeah, definitely I think the bulls are going to be in control here this week. So that's kind of the thesis that we're looking at. If we zoom in here to an hourly, really choppy last night. But before I get into it though, so you notice we do have an express 50k. Took a couple trades on Friday towards the close that were good, and then last night during Globex, I was able to get a trade in near the open. Just needed a few hundred and got us the funded account. So we're starting fresh here today at the funded account. Super cool. So we're gonna think potentially go to MNQ, reduce size. We'll see though. But yeah, looking around here, we're kind of just grinding up at the moment. If we go to the 15 and 5, I may look for a long just into the moving averages here and look for a simple continuation. And not get too crazy here this morning, but let's wait, let's watch. We'll see you guys on the first trade.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take two contracts here, MNQ. Watching this consolidation here, holding this 9. We're gonna go smaller size in case we pull back a bit more. Yeah, looking for it to hold these levels here and get that push higher. 5 minute looks good.
Order filled.
Add one more on that there. And flagging sideways here, looking for this to then break higher up near the 60s or so.
Order filled.
We'll add one more on that there, on that drop. New 5 minute candle here.
Order filled.
We're gonna go full size on that. There you go. There's some strength coming in right there. Strong 1 minute candle pushing us back to our entry here, acting as resistance. 20 point or so 1 minute candle on that. 2 minute candle here about to open. Let's see if we can hold this or if they're gonna absolutely just rip back down through this wick. There we go. There's some momentum coming in. Found its footing here on the support. We got that 30 minute retest there. Now pushing higher off this. New 15 minute candle. Like that, we dipped and we closed over this high here. Go red, hold this level here. We basically want to hold our entry. 827.50 here. Need to hold this area and then we could definitely see some momentum higher off this. There we go. Nice push there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take off one into that.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take off 2. I'm gonna go break even on the rest. Yeah, right into that resistance right there. Took off 2. More so to de-risk. I mean, we locked in $11 on it, so nothing to write home about. More about just de-risking on that. Our entry lowers there to our average. I can put stop break even on this. I don't really want it if we start trading back down under the 9 and then looking for the low of this wick here. Took off 2, and then now we see if we can break up above these highs locally for the day. Nice, there we go. We opened a 1 minute right on that. Are they gonna instantly reject it? And look at that, opened right on that instant rejection off that level. Man, couldn't get that breakthrough. We'll see if they end up holding it down here, if they get bought up. See if they buy this up and go green. Maybe not in this 1 minute. That'd be crazy though. Yeah, if we're on the 9 now on the 5, if we start breaking under that, I moved my stop down slightly under the open and close of these candles right here. I mean, if we go under that, I'm not interested in entertaining a drop and hold down lower here. We might get stopped out right here. See if they hold this.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out there. Broke the open and close. Dang. Couldn't quite get the pop there on that move. Stalled out here and then opened right on it. We'll see if they what they're gonna do, if they're gonna find support in here, or they have the potential probably to run it down near 800 or so. I was initially looking at when we open this 30-minute coming into these levels here near 800. So wouldn't surprise me if they do that. Doesn't mean they can't go higher later on. But that's probably it. One trade, $3.40. I mean, absolutely massive day today, first day on the funded. Hey, I'll take that over being down a few hundred. So I'm gonna call it a win, first day of the funded. I think we're up like maybe 100 or so at the max there. But yeah, that's gonna be it. We're gonna try and get an earlier start here during the week with the funded account. Get some better volatility and movement rather than this kind of choppy action here near noon or so. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Like, subscribe if you want to see more of this. Real trading every single day. Showing the wins, the losses, everything. And look at it pop right back up right now. I got stopped out, what, at 21.75 and it hit 19.75, 2 points. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning.